Good afternoon. It is July 2nd, and today we're going to be picking this variety of fig. This is LSU Hollier, 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 however you prefer to pronounce it. But we definitely got one down here that looks good and ready to me today. Oh, look at there, it just popped right off. Starting to get some cracks in it. We'll take it in and see what it looks like. Alright, here is LSU Hollier, Hollier, however you want to say it. This is about my third one of these. I've eat the other two. They're good. Kind of the honey fig. Got a decently tight eye. Well, that one's good and right. Maybe could have let it hung another day, but it's still good and right. You can see the red and the glistening in it. This is a very productive tree. And it seems to be pretty cold hardy too. Definitely taste some berry in there, but it's real subtle. It's a little thicker than O'Rourke. I don't know. I taste some berry in there, but I don't want to call it the strawberry but definitely honey. It's a honey berry flavor, and you can see it it kind of wants to even separate away a little bit. So see where it wants to peel on its own. That's kind of the cool aspect of it. I'd like to try this again when it's a little riper. So LSU Hollier, or Hollier, however you want to pronounce that. Thanks for watching.